As heavy rains lashed Hyderabad on Saturday, a part of the historic Chowmahalla Palace collapsed. The grille and the sill of a window of a clock tower broke away and the debris fell on the busy Khilawat road. Luckily, no one was injured. Officials responsible for maintenance of the palace said only a small part above a window had collapsed and there was no major damage to the structure. The repair work, which was planned to start in March, could not be started due to the lockdown. The Chowmahalla Palace is a major tourist attraction in the city. It was the royal seat of the Asaf Jah dynasty of the Nizams from 1724 to 1948. The clock tower served as the main gate to the splendid palace.